working at the in-laws barn. Switched out the starter solenoid in that. Seems to have fixed the mower. This one here won't run, has no compression, and has a ticking noise. So I'm going to take the valves off, or I'm sorry, the valve cover off. I already ordered the part for it. It lost a basically valve spring, valve keeper. I think they call this a I forget what they call it. But it's basically the keeper. Keeps the valve attached to the spring. I'll give you a picture when I take it apart. Alright, so here, valve cover's off. You can see the valve spring, keeper. This one's gone. What happened is it ripped out the center. So there's probably a chunk of metal somewhere in the bottom half of the motor. I have to change oil and whatnot, but if you watch the valve stem, oh, there it goes. See how it pops up? So that is the cylinder hitting the valve. Every time the cylinder comes up, it pushes on the valve. So hopefully I can compress it, put the keeper back on, do oil change, look for the chunk of metal. Hopefully that comes out. If not, I'll have to take the bottom of the engine off. That way I can get it out. You don't want it to get connected in any of the gears. Only gear I can think of is the oiler, and it's probably plastic. So I'm going to compress this down, pull the valve up, compress the spring, put the keeper on, and see what I can find. Okay, I used a 1/4 inch wrench to push on the side of the valve to hold it up, and then I use my other hand, push it down and slide it up, and then after that the rocker, the part with the nub, goes over the brain dump. Anyway, goes over the push rod there and on top of the valve. So I'll hook it back up and get to work. All right, so in order to hook it or put it back on top, I had to push two hands. One to push down on the valve, and then just the other to spin the rocker. All right, carb needs clean, but starter fluid. So there you go, evidence it runs.